Imagine biting into a spoonful of creamy, golden corn straight from a canther. Taste is sweet, the texture perfectly tender, and it somehow feels like summer in every bite. But have you ever paused to wonder how this little miracle of convenience actually comes to life? What journey does each kernel embark upon before it reaches your kitchen shelf, neatly packed and preserved in a can? Behind that simple pop of a can's lid lies a fascinating world of high-tech machinery, agricultural precision, and lightning-fast logistics. Today, we're taking you deep inside one of the world's most advanced canned corn production plants, where over 160,000 tons of corn are processed every year. From the moment the seed is planted in rich and drenched soil to the second the label is stuck onto a shiny can, you'll discover a journey that's not only efficient but extraordinary. It all begins in the vast golden heart of the Corn Belt, where endless rows of tall corn sway gently under the Midwest sun. This region, especially Iowa, is a powerhouse of corn production, feeding millions and supporting both the economy and global food security. Corn grown for canning isn't just any corn, it's sweet corn, chosen for its tender kernels, juicy texture, and rich flavor. The growing cycle lasts between 3 to 4 months, during which tiny seeds transform into towering plants up to 9 feet high. Every single stalk of corn carries both male and female flowers. The males sit at the top, casting pollen into the breeze, while the females wait lower down, nestled where the leaves meet the stalk. When pollinated, these females develop ears of corn filled with hundreds of precisely arranged kernels. Timing, the harvest is everything. To achieve that perfect crunch and sweetness, corn must be picked at just the right moment when the kernels are full, milky, and bursting with flavor, but not yet tough or dry. This prime harvesting window typically falls between mid-August and but here's the real challenge. To lock in that just-picked freshness, the entire process from harvesting in the field to sealing in a can must happen within 12 hours. It's a race against time, and every second counts. Out in the fields, towering harvesters roar to life. These specialized machines, equipped with razor-sharp blades and automated systems, slice the ears cleanly from the stalks and collect them in bulk, all while minimizing bruising or damage. The leftover stalks and leaves don't go to waste there, shredded on the spot and later reused as livestock feed or organic fertilizer, proving that even in mass production, sustainability matters. With the ability to harvest up to 150 tons of corn a day, these machines are marvels of agricultural engineering, powering through fields with precision and purpose. Once loaded onto trucks, the freshly picked corn is rushed to the processing facility here. The journey enters a whole new phase. Massive conveyors transport the ears across the plant, while a bulldozer flattens and evenly distributes the load to maintain a continuous flow. Next, trained quality inspectors spring into action. With only their eyes and experience, they scrutinize each ear, quickly identifying and discarding any that show signs of pest damage, improper size, or overripeness. Only the best make it past this checkpoint. Then comes husking. On high conveyor belts, the corn is whisked into a specialized area where textured rollers swiftly remove the husks and silks. These outer layers are collected, shredded, and recycled again. Nothing goes to waste. Next, the naked ears are washed thoroughly in large agitation tanks, filled with gentle surfactants, such as baking soda and citric acid. These bubbling, swirling baths strip away every trace of dirt, sand, or unwanted residue, leaving the ears gleaming clean and ready for the star of the show, kernel removal. Now, we reach one of the most intricate and mesmerizing steps. Each ear of corn is aligned with military precision and fed into an advanced cutter. 6 ultra-sharp high-speed blades surround every ear, adjusting automatically to accommodate different sizes. In just seconds, they strip the kernels clean from the cob, ensuring minimal waste and zero damage. The sheer speed is astonishing: over 7,000 ears processed per hour, producing a river of golden kernels flowing steadily along the production line. But the machines don't get all the credit. Even with all the tech in the world, the human touch remains essential. Skilled workers stand by, eyes sharp and hands steady, picking out any discolored or imperfect kernels that don't meet the plant's strict quality standards. This manual check is followed by another cleaning phase. Vibrating sieves with perfectly calibrated holes sift through the kernels, removing anything undersized, broken, or leftover from previous steps. Next comes blanching, a brief but crucial moment. The kernels are immersed in hot water for about 5 minutes at temperatures ranging from 158 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. This step deactivates enzymes that would otherwise spoil the corn during storage. It also helps the kernels retain their vivid color and satisfyingly firm texture. After blanching, the corn needs to cool and fast. Instead of using cold water, which could make the kernels soggy, the factory uses a modern cooling system with high-powered fans and vibrating conveyors. This method preserves both the integrity and moisture balance of the kernels, preparing them for the final phase, canning. Meanwhile, in another part of the plant, the tin cans themselves are being prepared. These containers, made of stainless steel and coated inside with a protective layer of tin, are handled with robotic precision. They glide down conveyors in neat rows, heading for steam sterilization. This step kills off any bacteria or pathogens, ensuring a sterile environment for the freshly processed corn. Now here's something that surprises many. The liquid inside a can of corn isn't just water, it's a specially formulated solution made from purified water, sugar, salt, and pH regulators. This mixture not only preserves the kernels, but enhances their color, sweetness, and shelf stability. Every can is filled with a precise amount of kernels, leaving a small space at the top, known as headspace, which allows for expansion during sterilization. The sealing machines then jump into action, using heat and pressure to attach lids securely, locking in all that freshness and flavor. Sterilization is next. The sealed cans are stacked into metal crates and rolled into large chambers where they're subjected to scorching. Heat up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit for several minutes. This intense process kills any remaining microorganisms and extends the shelf life of the product to between 2 and 5 years. Once removed from the sterilization chamber, the cans are cooled and stabilized to avoid quality degradation. The final touch is perhaps the most familiar: labeling. Robotic arms apply colorful, information-rich labels that not only attract attention on store shelves, but also carry essential details: ingredients, nutritional facts, expiration dates, and lot numbers. Every can is a story of precision and transparency, ready to be shipped to supermarkets around the world. But before that happens, the last word goes to the lab. Random samples are pulled from each batch and taken to quality control laboratories. Here, experts analyze the contents for nutrition, structural integrity, flavor, and microbiological safety. Only once a batch passes every single test does it get the green light for distribution. And just like that, what started as a seed planted in a sunlit field has become a shiny, sealed can ready to brighten someone's plate. Whether it ends up in a savory chowder, atop a taco, or simply heated with butter and salt, canned corn is more than just a pantry staple, a testament to agricultural brilliance and human ingenuity. So next time you open a can of corn, take a moment to appreciate the intricate journey behind every kernel, from the rustling fields of the Corn Belt to the high-tech factory floor. It's a story of precision, speed, and care. If you've ever had a favorite canned corn recipe or a childhood memory tied to its sweet flavor, we'd love to hear it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it fascinating. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible behind-the-scenes looks into the world of modern food production. See you next time, where another everyday food reveals its extraordinary backstory.